Bonjour. Okay, so this little video is going to help make sure you can pronounce your colors. Okay, so a lot of these are similar, but then we have some different ones too. So répétez bleu, vert. We have a lot of those silent letters. Noir. Get that wah wah wah. Noir. Rose. Violet. Gris. Again, you should actually be talking because the more active you are, the better you're going to remember these things. Okay, so say it to yourself. Say it out loud. Gris. Rouge. Jaune. Marron. Orange. You got to be careful because if you just say orange, believe it or not, they're not going to understand you. Orange. Blanc. Haha. Ça, c'est blanc. Blanc. So, pour réviser les couleurs, de quelle couleur est-ce? Pardon, voici mon citation. So, de quelle couleur? C'est bleu. De quelle couleur est-ce? So you say it first, then I'll say it. De quelle couleur est-ce? C'est vert. Ça, de quelle couleur est-ce? C'est bleu. De quelle couleur? C'est rouge. De quelle couleur est-ce? Okay, that's a tricky one. C'est noir ou marron, je ne sais pas. Oui. De quelle couleur est-ce? C'est rouge. Oh, j'adore. De quelle couleur est-ce? You talk, then I'll talk. De quelle couleur est-ce? C'est vert. De quelle couleur est-ce? C'est rouge. De quelle couleur est-ce? C'est violet. De quelle couleur est-ce? C'est gris ou c'est blanc? Oh, Vincent Van Gogh. De quelle couleur est-ce? C'est jaune. Et ça? C'est marron. De quelle couleur est-ce? Come on, gotta talk. C'est noir. Ça? C'est rouge. De quelle couleur est-ce les cheveux? C'est marron. Okay, so we get lots of more. So here's a fun, well, I'm a teacher, so I think it's fun. Here's a fun activity. Your job is to say the color of each word out loud. De quelle couleur est-ce? Okay, now here's the tricky part. Say the word that you see. Ooh, the word, not the color, but the word that you see. Okay, so the passcode for this video, and again, why do I do that? Because these are meant to help you. They don't take that long. They reinforce what we learned in class. The passcode, which you should write down on your homework or on your classwork activity, is salut. Okay, S-A-L-U-T. Okay, merci beaucoup, classe. Au revoir.